Hey, welcome everyone. This is Mike from zozostockwatch.com, and this is going to be your stock watch list for Monday, the 25th of February. So this video is to get you a look at some stocks that I think might make a move on Monday and maybe for the next couple of days. If you watch my other video, which will be attached to the end of this video, let's get ready for the week ahead. I go through some news, I go through some stocks, some indices, and also earnings and additional information that you need to know to get you ready for the week ahead. On that video, I talked about Spark Therapeutics. They were taken over, or an offer was made by Roche, nears a $5 billion deal for Spark Therapeutics. So this stock will be jumping on Monday. So we want to have an eye on some of the stocks that are in the XBI. Now, a nifty little feature in TC2000 is that when you're on any kind of sector ETF here, you can click on it. You get a drop down of all the components that are in this sector. All right, and so you can kind of go through all the charts in that XBI. You can also do it for the IBB. So I'll show you that also. So you go on your IBB, you go under where it says components, click on that, and then as you can see for the IBB, you have all the stocks that are in that make up the IBB. And there are some nice looking charts within these, and I'll try to pick out some of those for you for the next few days. Let's go ahead and get into the watch list for tomorrow. ACHV will be on watch. We did have news in this on Friday. We actually traded this in the service on Friday. We got a nice, actually two trades out of this name on Friday at Zozo StockWatch. You see the expanding volume that came into this name on ACHV. Definitely one you want to keep on watch moving forward. AKBA also popped up on expanding volume. It's in the biotech space. Nice move up. Has the 750 area up ahead. 1.5 million shares, and that name came in on Friday. AMD, not in the biotech sector, but semiconductor sector that's been holding above the 50 and the 200 moving average, holding above the fast moving averages here. So I'll have AMD on watch. We had a previous high back here of 24.41. We closed at 24.36. There was a recent high of 25.14. So maybe if AMD, if that can penetrate, say, 24.55-ish area, keep an eye on that one. AQMS, they're in the waste management sector. So this one, expanding volume here, 1.3 million shares. Big pop from 250 up to about that $3. Now we've been here before and have been rejected. The high here was 306, so keep that in mind. We had a high on Friday of 299 on this stock, so I'd have to see if it can get a clear above that 310 area for AQMS. BZUN, a China name. China names were showing some strength on Friday. Specialty retail stock. BZUN popping up here. 1.8 million shares. Has 37 up ahead on BZUN. Keep that one on watch. Another China name, kind of in slumber right now, not doing too much, but can get moving intraday. I think if this one can get up over the highs of Friday, the high Friday was $1.82, so maybe over that 185 area, and maybe some volume will come into this name, triple CLCIFS. Also, another China name popping up, has that $1.50 area up ahead. The high on Friday on this name was $1.40, starting to break out above the 50 SMA. You see the expanding volume here at the bottom of the chart. So another China name that we should keep on watch. Electronic Arts had Unusual options activity on Friday. We actually traded this. It broke over 94. We got in over the 94 spot. It popped up to about $96 on Electronic Arts. So I'll have this one on watch to see if they want to rebound this. It has the Apex Legend game going on right now. So we've had a pullback from about $110 recently down to about the $94, $92 area, holding above 90 and the 100 SMA. So watching this one for intraday bounces. ESPR, now this is out of the XBI. This one has a high on Friday of 46.67, so I would imagine this one will get going on Monday. Volume a little bit light on this one, 305,000 shares, but the recent trend in this stock is up, and so we kind of have this coiling, this consolidation going on here. So ESPR will be on watch. IDEX looks interesting. It's holding above the fast-moving averages. It's holding above my 5 EMA on my daily chart here. So IDEX will be on watch. Software application stock. JD, now they have earnings coming up on the 28th of February. So this week they report earnings. I'm looking to see if there's an earnings move in this stock. You see the volume that came in on Friday. We have that $26 level up ahead. JMEI. A nice looking chart here, breaking out, has that 275 area up ahead. 4.4 million shares came into JMEI. I like this Momo if it can get up over $33.30 in that area. Another China name, nice trend up here off the lows. So if Momo can keep the momentum going here, keep an eye on this one over $30.30 for Momo. Let's see, we're going to have to keep KNDI, electric vehicle stock, out of China. They will be moving some facilities to the United States. That's why they've been getting a big pop since I'm on electric vehicles. NEO is going to be spotlighted on 60 Minutes on CBS tonight. I'm making this video Sunday night. Today is the 24th of February. So they're going to be spotlighted on a 60 Minutes CBS show. Not sure what they're going to say about it, but we'll have NEO on watch in case they make positive comments. As you can see, it got over 25 million shares came into the name on Friday for NIO, and up above the fast-moving averages here. It was climbing in the after hours also, trading at $8.29. It's been as high as over $13 on NIO. It's kind of the Tesla of China, or so they say. So a segment is going to be on 60 Minutes, CBS Sunday night show, so we'll see what they say about that one. Could be in play. Some other stocks I'll be watching, MRNS, another biotech name. If the biotechs want to get moving, 1.6 million shares came into this name on Friday. Looks interesting, has the 100 SMA up in the way though, so we'll see on that one. We're going to see what the crypto stocks want to do. You can keep an eye on stocks like NXTD, trying to get up over the 200 SMA. Riot is another name. I'm not going to mention them all, but Riot is another interesting name here, trying to get up above the 200 SMA on my daily chart and that $4 area for Riot. Another one is Mara, MARA, also under the 200 SMA on this name, and has that 80-cent level up ahead. Now, if we take a look at Bitcoin on Sunday night when I'm doing this video, we were up above 4,000. We had popped up above 4,000, but quickly pushed back down below 4,000 here on Bitcoin. So we'll see if that's going to get the cryptocurrency stocks moving for tomorrow. Another name that looks good is OCUL. Nice pop. 2.2 million shares came into this name. Has that 450 number up ahead. Now it's a bottoms up type of play. They gapped it up on Friday. Let's check it in after hours. Held above $4 in the after hours and going into the close on Friday. OMED, another name that I'll be watching. It's an under $1 name. So OMED, if they can get it up over this $1 area, you could see further continuation in that one. RKDA is an ag name, agricultural name. This one trying to get up over that 200 SMA. The high on Friday was 554. We had a recent high also of about 558. So maybe over 560 could possibly get RKDA moving. Would like to see a little more volume. Only 300,000 shares on Friday on that name. Rocks was perking up. Big volume expansion here. Castle Brands, soda manufacturer. Big pop, big volume came into this. Now it's had fits and starts before. You see these volume pops here. So right now I would say it needs to get up over the highs at least. Let's see what this high was back here. The high back here was 94 cents. So maybe over 95 cents, you might get that possible $1 break on ROX, ROX. SOGO was perking up 1.7 million shares. Internet content information has been basically in a downtrend for the longest time, trying to break out of that trend and turn back up. Kind of a sleeper pick here, SOGO. So keep an eye on that one, 1.7 million. UXIN, another China name. We actually traded this in the service at Zozo StockWatch on Friday. Nice move up. So I'll have this one on watch. UXIN starting to turn the corner. I believe the 50 SMA is in the way here. Yeah, 50 SMA currently at 466. Closed at 460, so maybe 470, 475 for this name. You see the volume that came in on Friday, over 11 million shares, UXIN. VYGR, they had news. I talked about that news on my Let's Get Ready for the Week Ahead video. That'll be attached to the end of this video. So it has that $14 area, 1.7 million shares traded in this. So this one will be on watch. XNET is another one of the crypto stocks. So we'll see how they're going to perform on Monday and the rest of the week. Keep your eye on Bitcoin though. We had an XNET had a high back here on the 19th of February. The high was $4.15. The high on Friday was 405. So I think it needs to get up at least over, 410, 412 area. We did get nice volume coming into the stock on Friday. YY, another China name in the internet content services, has that $75 number up ahead. We closed at 73. So if this one can get up over $74, you could get a nice move in it, 1.1 million shares. Now, if I remember correctly, this one can be spready intraday, maybe more of a swing trade. Now, with all these China names, it's going to depend on the trade talk and the comments that come out from the trade talk between China and the United States. I go into that on the Let's Get Ready for the Week Ahead video. That'll be attached to the end of this video. So, these China names, they do look good, some of them, but if we get any kind of tweets or comments from the senior officials in the trade talks, that could just push the markets down and also push back these China names. So keep that in mind. ZSAN, they had news with their migraine medicine, popped it up big. We traded this last week. We actually got in this thing at on the break of $2.85 was one of the trades. Then we traded it again over, I think it was 350. So ZSAN, we'll watch this one. Would like a little further pullback. Let's see if it can hold this $4 area on ZSAN. A software infrastructure play, ZUO, looks interesting, starting to get up above the 200 SMA here on the daily chart. It IPO'd back in April of last year, starting to get up above, like I said, the 200 SMA, volume 1.7 million shares. You have a high here of 2407, so I would let it get back over maybe 2410, maybe a possible swing trade in this name. But once again, keep in mind that, check the earnings date. Let's see, earnings for this one are not until the 21st of March, so keep that in mind. All right, so this is Mike from zozostockwatch.com. Those are some trading stocks for you to keep an eye on, whether it be swing trade or day trading, intraday trading. Hope this video helps you out. Please hit the thumbs up if you like this video, if it's helping you out, and feel free to leave some stocks down below, some comments. Always greatly appreciated. Any particular stocks that you're watching, add them to the comments below. Thanks very much. Have a great day trading for Monday, and we'll be back at it with another video Monday for Tuesday night.